morning, and thank you for joining us. I'm Haley Hernandez.
And I'm Sophia Ojeda. Local health officials are urging everyone to stay vigilant in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak, especially children. Taking a look at cases in the Houston area, right now there are 5, 4 in Harris County, 1 in Fort Bend County. We have live team coverage this morning of what doctors are saying and how spring break travel could be impacted. We'll start with Channel 2's Brittany Jeffers in downtown Houston. That's where local doctors talked about measures to protect children from getting sick. Brittany?
Yeah, today health and safety is certainly at the forefront of everyone's mind. And as you mentioned today, the focus truly is on children. This press conference just started about 5 minutes or so ago behind those doors, and we'll get to that in a minute. But as you mentioned, health officials announced that the number of cases of the novel coronavirus has gone up to 5. They're reporting all 5 patients were part of a larger group that traveled together to Egypt last month. But as I mentioned today, the focus is on a different age group, not only protecting children from COVID-19, but also influenza. So we're going to be asking some questions about what should parents do? What is the best defense? Officials right now say at this point it appears that elderly people with compromised immune systems have shown that they were more likely to become ill. But today they added that they believe there was no need to panic or to change your day-to-day activities. But the most important thing that you can do for children right now is to continue to practice those good hygiene habits.
I think if your kids are in good health, go to the grocery store with them, still take them outside. Outside is a very safe and healthy place, and I think that's a good idea. Even though kids don't get sick, we also have to remember, though, that they can carry this. And so if you have elderly people who are frail, keep the kids away from them.
Now, as we were leaving this press conference just a minute ago, they were discussing the importance of families to discuss making plans in the event that their plans are disrupted by this. If there are school closures or business closures, that this is something that families are going to have to start talking about. We're going to go back into that press conference. We certainly have a lot of questions that we would like to ask. We will have more for you coming up today at 4 o'clock. Reporting live, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC Channel 2 News.